You didn't wake up in pain, but you can feel something's off. Your hips feel tight, your body sluggish, and it's like your power switch hasn't flipped on yet. This is how we reset that, from the inside out. Let's hit the mat. This move wakes up the muscles that have been sleeping while you've been surviving. Start on all fours, hands on the shoulders and knees on the hips. Lift your right knee out to the side like opening a gate. Lower slowly, alternate sides every few reps. I promise this move is how you unlock hip strength and restore balance left to right. Too intense? Keep your range small and move slower. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Stay with it for 5 more seconds. Now that you've activated the sides, let's strengthen the center. If your glutes feel switched off, this turns the ignition. Kneel on the floor with your torso upright, feet flat behind you. Lower your hips toward your heels, then squeeze your glutes as you press back up to tall. Keep your ribs down and hips level. I promise this move is how you unlock strong posture and safe hip extension. Feeling wobbly? Widen your knees slightly or place a mat under them. We're just getting started. Next one bridges it all together. Now that your hips are firing, let's build the full chain. You felt disconnected from your strength. This is how you come back to it. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Press into your heels to lift your hips. Squeeze at the top, then lower slowly with control. Stay grounded. I promise this move is how you unlock your glutes and stabilize your whole spine. One more. Try lifting your toes slightly to fire deeper into your hamstrings. Hold the top of your next bridge. 5, 4, 3, squeeze a little more. Now that the work is done, it's time to unwind. When you carry stress in your hips, this is where it finally starts to release. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh, reach behind your left leg and gently pull it in towards your chest. Then switch sides. I promise this move is how you unlock deep hip tension and emotional holding patterns. Tight? Keep your foot on the floor and gently press your knee away. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. Now that the tension is melting, we end in softness. This final moment is where your breath, your spine, and your morning all come together. Sit tall, legs extended forward. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then fall gently over your legs. Let your hands rest wherever they land. Let gravity do the work. I promise this move is how you unlock calm in your hamstrings, spine, and nervous system. can't reach far, bend your knees slightly and close your eyes. You've come this far. Stay with me. 5 more seconds of release.